Today we're making texture owl collages. You'll start out with a square piece of paper, and the first thing you'll do is write your name on your piece of paper. And now you are going to draw a very simple owl shape. So to start my owl, I'm just going to draw a big oval. Make sure it's big enough to fill my paper. I'm going to draw the little feather tufts that come up from the head. They're not ears, they're just feathers. I'm going to draw the wings. And then I'm going to draw two little stick legs with three little toes coming off of them. And there is my very simple owl shape. Now we're going to collage little pieces of torn paper into our owl shape to make it look like the texture of owl feathers. Owl feathers look kind of soft and fluffy, and this torn paper collaged together will give it that visual texture. So I'm tearing up even more little pieces so I have enough to start with. Then I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm just going to start out spreading a little bit of glue on part of my owl's body. So our goal is to fill up the whole owl shape that we drew with these torn pieces of paper. I'm going to start sticking the torn pieces on top of where I laid down the glue. And you can put them in any color order you want. You can use big ones, small ones. You can tear them some more if you want to get them a different shape or a different size. Just start covering your owl's whole body and wings and feather tufts on the head with this torn paper. I'm almost done filling up my owl's body. I don't see any gaps in it or blank spaces. So I'm ready to put on the eyes and the beak. So with this bright yellow paper here, I'm just gonna tear out somewhat of a circular shape for an eye. It doesn't have to be perfect. So there's one eye, just as long as it kind of looks like a circle. This is good practice to tear the paper into different shapes. There's my other eye. And then I'm going to use a orange piece of paper to make a little beak. So again, it just kind of looks like a triangle shape, because torn paper doesn't have to be perfect. I'll glue down the eyes and the beak, and then I'm going to also put some little pupils in the eyes of my owl. And here is my completed texture owl collage. Don't forget to put the cap on your glue stick when you're all done.